Adventures with G, adventures full. We've got the map, there's no time to lose. From waterfalls to caves to trees, every day's an epic breeze. A ton.
Hey everybody, what's up? Today we are at Jessamine Creek Gorge. So stick around. I looked this up. I looked this up on Mom's computer. Don't tell her. And I heard that this place has a giant waterfall. So stay tuned for that. Let's go.
What a wee!
Yeah.
A free. A free, Mom.
Hey everybody, I'm back with the sign. Okay, so they have protected species here that we could see. We can see a smooth blue cleft flix. I don't know how to spell it.
Okay, keep going.
A snow trillium, a stream-side salamander, and a great blue heron. I hope we see one of them. If we see one, we will show you it right away. Guys, we are in a little grass area. And you know I hate grass.
Yeah, all me.
So,
Yeah, all me.
I am using my Powerade bottle to dodge all the grass. Guys, we made it to the bridge. First bridge of the video.
No what?
No.
Guys, I think we're almost at the waterfall. Guys, we found some species. It's like some caterpillars, like right there. It's moving around. You see it? We can't get to the waterfall, but this was a really fun trail. And now we're playing in a creek. Hi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey everybody, I just wanted to tell you something. You might as well see two boys on the camera, and my mom is recording. But behind my mom is a little baby, if you want to see. Lincoln. Lincoln, say hi. I just wanted to let you know, never draw on nature. Never draw on nature.
So silly.
It's just not healthy for the environment. So please don't do it. Or you're getting banned.
Walk on, dude. That's what he's referring to.
Mommy, me get cool.
Found some flowers. Yay. There's some over there too. And right there, and right there, and right there, and right there. All over there.
Lots of butterflies.
Yeah, and butterflies. And bye, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome daily videos. We'll see you later on our next video, which is going to be today. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Right there by your side. Adventures big, adventures full. Grayson's ready, let's explore it all. So come along and you will see the world's more fun with Adventures with G.